The paragraph group allows you to change how a selection of text looks. In this video, we'll look at how to change the text alignment, how to use indents, how to use shading, line spacing, and paragraph spacing. There will be different videos on how to use the bullets and numbering systems, and how to set tabs and leader tabs. Changing the text alignment allows you to set the direction of the text. It could be left aligned, running left to right, centered, which runs from the center to either margin, right aligned, which begins on the right and goes to the left of the page, or justified, which will distribute the text evenly between your margins. To do this, you can highlight a piece of text and then select the option you want. Alternatively, you place your cursor on a blank line, select the option, and then begin typing. Indents set the start of your paragraph away from your margin. To do this, place your cursor on a line and then select the Increase Indent button. You can undo this by selecting the Decrease Indent button. Alternatively, you can hit the Tab key on your keyboard to increase your indent. You can do this multiple times, increasing how far into the page you go. Shading allows you to cover a selection of text or the inside of a shape like a table with color. To do this, either highlight some text or click inside a box and then select the shading option. The drop-down will bring up different colors. If your color that you want isn't in the options, click on more colors and you'll be able to select from there. Changing the line spacing increases or decreases the gap between your lines of text. Changing your paragraph spacing increases or decreases the gap between the start and end of your paragraphs. To change these, there are multiple ways of doing it. The best option is to click the expanded menu in the paragraph group. Here you'll see the spacing option and the line spacing option. To change the spacing, you can click up and down on the arrows, or you can enter in the number that you want. To change the line spacing, you can set it as single, 1.5 lines, double, multiple, or some other options. Alternatively, if you're given a number, you can type that in